the water there. Some plants have gone. Flowers, I mean. That's a pink bluebills, but it's pink. And then that's blue. Come this way. You can see the water with plenty fish in it. That's the eyeball. It's for the birds not to come. No, that eyeball is different. That is for to chase the birds. Dennis is asking you what's that eyeballs for.
No, that's to chase the bugs away, isn't it?
Yeah, so then she will keep the fat.
So the birds won't eat the fish. Plenty fish, look.
And water, but I still think we need something to
Circulate the water. And then
This has got a net here, look. This has been turned in the net.
for cleaning it. So you stay there, huh? Go. Amazing place. Nice garden. Plenty birdies. Wow. And then from this side, you can see the two in there. No, it's okay. Yes. Okay. That's David and Denise in there. Okay na. Okay na. Oh, ang jacket. You left the jacket?
I'll go get a jacket.
She came to see me, the doggy.
Whoa! This is
Shh. Go to the left. Denise, we're going to the left ba? Hoy, come here. Your palace is there. And look.
sometimes I usually stop here. But there's some on the trees, or sometimes I go in here to get some more shell on and more room. Sometimes I see some of this branch here. And sometimes I just sleep like just on the branch. And sometimes I just sit down like that. People like so weird. And just go.
Look at here. Smile, Lion. Look at here, dali. Tada. Ay, wala. Not yet, not yet. It's okay. Go in the middle. Smile. Okay. In the flower. Go in the flower there. Smile, Lion. Atubang dali. Thank you. What it says? What it says, Dennis? Meaning? Meaning?
You're not allowed to go there.
Okay.
You're not allowed to go there, but you're not to go here.
No enter because electric fence.
Yeah. can go up there. No.